Just weeks ago, Apple accused him of obtaining a prototype iPhone from an employee and leaking iOS 26 app designs. The tech giant alleges that he took that information and turned it into eye-catching renderings. Unsurprisingly, Prower struck back, flat out denying the claims, but did he retreat into silence? Nope. Instead, he dropped a brand new video on Front Page Tech, unveiling fresh concept imagery for the soon-to-arrive iPhone 17 Pro. And as always, he sprinkled in a bit of cheeky humor, complete with an on-screen speculation. "Don't sue me, lol." Caption that had fans chuckling. So what's the scoop on the rumored camera redesign? Prower thinks Apple isn't just going for style when it adds that bold, new camera hump. He believes it's packing a periscope-style telephoto module, goodbye 5x optical zoom. Hello something even more powerful. Plus, he says next year's Pro models could sport upgraded 48 megapixels telephoto sensors, quadrupling the pixel count of current 12 megapixels camera. Then there's the iPhone's thickness. Prower notes that the iPhone 17 Pro could come in slightly thicker, around 8.73mm versus the current 8.5mm. And for color fans, rumor has it that Apple is experimenting with a bold orange shade in 2025, a hue that matches prototypes floating around tech circles right now. Battery life lovers, listen up. Prower teased that the iPhone 17 Pro Max could house a massive 5000 mAh battery, potentially making it the most enduring iPhone yet. He claims these renders are nearly finalized and that mass production is imminent. Either he's supremely confident in his sources, or completely unbothered by Apple's legal noise. And speaking of legal noise, there was a tongue-in-cheek moment when Prower admitted he wanted to showcase an aluminum unibody version of the iPhone 17 Pro, but couldn't, hinting at possible legal red flags. Is it a diversion, a calculated reveal strategy, or simply a nod to the lawsuit's pressure? Hard to say. Regardless, Prower isn't backing down. Whether you see him as a daring truth seeker, a provocateur, or simply someone who loves stirring the pot, he's firmly back in the limelight. With juicy upgrade rumors, bold color possibilities, and a battery bump, the iPhone 17 story is far from over. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.